Ooh, what can I get out of this loot box? A chicken. I got a chicken out of a vending machine.
Little tiny PudnPop!
I see him just standing there. Ah! I wanted that kill. Oh god, here comes his dog. I'm trying to shoot this freaking dog. I'm gonna beat the crap out of it. Get you up here in just a second. I need to heal up.
Okay, cause Haley's. Oh, someone's coming. Right there.
I'm scared.
They're going.
They stole you. Why'd they steal my wife?
Me.
They're killing you, Smalls.
They're out back killing their friend.
Oh my god, that actually worked. Oh,
like right on them,
oh
too.
my god, I cannot believe that actually worked.
Knocked. Knocked. Where'd it go?
I did that on purpose.
Ah. You good, Hay?
Woo! Wait, did they burn to death? 6 ADS. What does ADS stand for?
Ads.
Oh. Well,
What's ZIP stand for?
True. I found a lump of coal. Where's Haley at? Merry Christmas, Haley. Merry freaking Christmas. Got him in the butt.
Hey, go to my reboot. Here you go.
Hold on.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, got him.
Nice.
They're all one shots.
Yeah.
Do you see what's going on over here, everybody? I am the police. There they are.
Are you Wesley Hicks?
No, I'm good at my job. I knocked one. There's one down there.
Last thing he'll expect is a full frontal assault.
Brittany's in trouble.
Got one.
Brittany's not in trouble anymore. Here, I'm coming at him.
I don't. Oh, there they are.
Missed every shot. It's all good.
Right here.
Got him. With my legendary pistol, baby. Yeah, I see them at him.
Yeah. Oh.
Got him.
It just keeps standing still. That doesn't work for people.
I'm just shooting and stabbing, shooting and stabbing. Oh!
Come in.
I hit some.
Silky
I
Johnson got knocked
I
out.
hit him for 66. Okay. I don't. Does anybody have a surplus of AR ammo? Because I don't have enough to be spraying.
No, I don't.
I've got some.
Ooh, good shot.
got him.
Good shot, babe. Good shot. Okay, let's go in. Let's go in while they're down. They are obsessed with me.
I can see why.
Okay, one's down.
No.
One's down.
Ah! Right in front of me.
One's down.
Got there, buddy.
I'm down. They got a shotgun.
Woo! Good job, Adam.
Let's go, Adam. Clutch this.